ban pynpaw pyrthei ya deiti tynrai jong ukhun ka bri nyuk tram ka kynhun tem ka bapaw na kaning no ba shalong ka balalik tem tengru sekiri ki badan ha Europe menta ka kenti ka lala ban penmi ya ka we ki jingruai rengkat ka music video ha ka ba la pynpaw ya kom im tynrai jong Khasi na du karyam ka bed ka bam tynrai bet ki we di ki jinglong tynrai ka kynhun Summersalt ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha ka arpandai tri ubnai jeliu menta usnam arjar arpuar ha Asian Confluence la pelat pet ba ya kawai ka music video jong ka jingruai Khasi ka bala ai kerteng Mluh ka we ni ki jingruai ka bala sot na ka thup jingruai ka ba ar jong ni ka kynhun ka bala ai kerteng clear ka badan khatwai tili ki jingruai baro iba kan thup ya ki hinriu tili ki jingruai ka ktien Khasi ba san tili ha ka ktien phareng la penbet penbiang ya kani ke jingruai bat eki music video jong kam Mluh rengkat ke jingkersan lang jong ka kynhun ka batrei na ka benta ban penne ya ka meram o bat ban eat ya la ka jong ka tynrai kata ka kynhun North East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society kata ka Nesfas ya kani ke jingruai ha kani sngi la pelai pat ba ha YouTube da executive director ka Nesfas uba pyrthei rengkat ka kynhun Summersalt habakran nga jingelang udukot ubah khamat jong ni ka kynhun ubah ket kupar sang pliang rengkat kanong ruai ka ba khamat jong ni ka kynhun ikong pensuk im yong kilei thu ba halor ka jingya lenti jong ki ban penbet.
We therefore hope that this video will inspire young people to become beacons of hope for the sustainable future that we want. We hope that also this video will inspire other songwriters to develop songs and lyrics that will promote local food systems like shifting cultivation, bone cultivation, paddy field, and other food systems that we have. Through such songs and videos, we also seek to build the networks with other farmers, not from Meghalaya, but other farmers from the other states. This video will also reflect our close relationship with our nature, and we hope that the indigenous knowledge system will thrive in the future generations.